All right, so anyone that's been around me knows I love my Sennheiser HD280 Pros, but look what's happening. All right, so you can tell they've been in use. They've been in use for a little while. Ordered these from Amazon. These replacement, basically ear pads. So I'm sitting here and I'm trying to figure out, how you take these darn things off, and basically I've pretty much figured you just kind of tear them off because they're not glued or anything. And then on the back of these will basically go around. You see that little lip? It'll go, supposedly, we'll see how this works, go around. So it's kind of like trying to almost like thread a needle with some of this stuff, but I'm definitely going to try and see how hard or easy this will be to get these ear pads on. And right now it's turning out to be kind of a chore. I'll tell you that right now. But I saw over the weekend that my ear pads were getting kind of iffy, which you saw, they've been in use for some years now. And I'm not even sure, I'm looking at the size on this, and the size seems to be comparable. And there's no instructions. It came in this little plastic bag with no instructions. It looks like the old gray mare did it. All right, so we have one on. This, you see that lip in there? That's where the edges of this go. So the edges have to fit in there, and that's how it's held. I have officially replaced headphone ear pads right there. They have been replaced by yours truly. Only took me a total of about let's say 8 minutes to do that. These are the old ear pads. They are no longer on. They're not as, they've served me well. My headphones don't need to be replaced. So these are you can see the Sennheiser brand right there. And they are the HD280 Pros. And now they have brand new ear pads on them. I hope you have enjoyed me replacing my ear pads on this. I hope that it served you well.